Hey guys, it's Mike at Nitrous Customs. As you saw, we're going to put the truck on the dyno today, but first we're going to tap the turbo housing for the I guess vacuum line, or yeah, the vacuum line that goes to the wastegate. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go to the dyno. The truck made 492 wheel horsepower. I'll give the whole setup here in just a minute. Let's get started. All right guys, time to tap the hole here so we can run it to the wastegate. That way we can have a better control of boost. All right guys, I'm really glad Steven was here because I was about to just hook this manual boost controller right up into line there and wouldn't have put the spring in. So obviously he said spring goes over here. All right guys, Steven noticed that there were two springs in there. There's a black one that is a lighter weight spring. So we're gonna start with it, and we're gonna, based on this, if we keep turning it, boost goes up, right? So we're gonna turn it back to where it almost comes off. Feels like there's a change right there. So we're gonna see what that does tomorrow, and then we'll just keep cranking it down. Oh guys, we are here, NWA Streetworks, about to get the tune on for the old truck. All right guys, if this is your first time seeing Stanley, it's our Turbo LS C10. It's got a 2005 Gen 4 4.8, 208,000 miles, came from an 05 Tahoe. It's got a 4L80 behind it that we bought from Craigslist, to tell you how long ago we've had it. Had Kevin Hensley go in and put a shift kit and a new front pump in it, and replaced, I think, first and second gear clutches, something like that. And so we did that. We've got a TCI Triple disc converter in it. We've got a comp cams, custom grind cam, all that shit. Essentially, it's a 277, 282 cam with 115 lobe separation, 613, 608 on the lift with a 390 rear gear. So here's some dyno videos. Alrighty. Oh shit. That feels so much better. We rolling to it now? If you want. You know I do. God damn, sorry. Bit shifted. All right guys, big smiley face there. It's funny because Robert was really close on the first tune, and then we started having issues with all the push rods and all that kind of stuff. So if you go back to some of our older videos, I actually go in and cleaned the blow-off valve and everything. So as you saw, ran way better than it has We're fixing to put it on the dyno, so that will hopefully give you guys some great video there. Starts, runs, drives, just like I want it to right now. Now it's time to wring out a little bit of power.
It's going lean whenever you're...
It started to get in the boost, so it started getting lean. So I just got
Alright guys, hey, so we are pulling the wastegate here to install a couple more springs.
God dang.
About caught that sandwich in the chin. Blow my skirt up. Alright guys, so we're going to spray a little bit of nitrous here on the intercooler. We did this a couple times, really trying to get that 500 wheel horsepower mark. So as you'll see, we don't get there, but it sure makes for a cool video. Guys, the coolest thing about tuning with Robert is the drivability that he gives you for the truck. I mean, like we're cruising right now, shifts are great, nice and crisp, easy, hard throttle, nothing wild. Alright guys, took Steven, we're going to U-Pull it for to meet up with Robert. So I figure since we're over here kind of out in traffic, come on Tahoe. There you go. That's cool. All you need to do is Mustang behind us. Ready? Is that
I
fun?
don't know if I can say this, but I think my thing just got hard.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I don't know if you noticed on a couple of those videos we had some oil blow by. So what we are going to do is add a catch can. Right now I had the PCV system plumbed right into the intake. So Robert thinks it's maybe costing us a few octane once we get up in boost. So we're going to put on a catch can. That'll be in the next video. We're going to do a catch can. We're also going to do a Trailblazer SS or a NNBS intake, a new body style intake on it. I've seen where people are they're getting an extra 25 or 30 horsepower just from that intake swap. So we're going to make that swap because Robert has one that he pulled off of a truck that they did over there. So we'll have that. So I guess that's about it for this one. I'm going to close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The next couple videos for this truck are going to be a ton of fun. Lots of rolling burnouts, lots of donuts, lots of just street truck type stuff. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we've got coming, and follow us everywhere. Instagram, I don't know, Facebook, TikTok, we got a podcast, all that stuff. All right, thanks a bunch guys.